Hello! Today I am trying to pick this old ruko cabinet lock from a bus, and then I will gut it. So let's try. Get the camera up here. Plug in and zoom, and there. And there was a hook. Alright. And let's try pin 1 and 2. Let me just turn the camera over here. That was 2. So 3, 4, and come on, 5. 1, nothing. 2, a little bit. Come on. 3, 4, 5. Nothing. Nothing. Come on. Alright, let's try clockwise instead and see if that does anything. Pin 1, pin 2. Oops. Come on. Again, pin 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it. No. Alright, keep it over here. That's apparently the best place to have it. Pin 1. And come on. 2, 3. There we go. There was the false set. Where is the counter rotation? I think it's here in the front. There. That was pin 2. 4. Come on. 5, nothing. And it's very tight in there. Pin 1. Click. Pin 2. Nothing. Pin 3. Nothing. 4. And there we go. It was pin 4. Alright. And alright. This is a terrible homemade one, but it does work. Some tweezers, screwdriver, and a follower. Alright. We have to take this screw out first, if I can. There we go. Without turning everything. And how do we get that one off? Maybe. Come on. Yeah. Come on. It's so hard to get off. Alright. Comes out. There. Alright. Now we can see what's inside. Let me turn the light a little bit so you can see from the other side. Pin 1, 2, 3, and that was that one. 4, and 5. Alright. There. Alright, let's try to take a look at what's inside of this one. Pin 1. Spool with one of those small ones. I really don't know what they are called. If you know that, please comment down below what they are called. Pin 2 is also a spool. Pin 3. Oh, I actually have my hand in front of the light. Let's take the light up there. And pin 5 is a standard pin. And 4 is also a spool. And I need another tweezers to take the springs up with. Come on. There we go. Whoops. That was close. Come on. There. There we go. Alright. What about number 3? And one. And so it's much easier just to get out there. Come on. There we go. Alright. Alright, I have to take the camera to show you this. I probably have to take good hold of this. And I hope you can see anything. And yeah, so that's what's inside one of these old rukos. Spools, a standard pin, and those small ones, I don't know what they are. So that's all I have for you today, guys. So thanks for watching and have a good day.